in creation. Everything moves in perfect harmony. These, we don't know when it started, but it's created to be there forever because we don't know the sense of timing. Created to be in perfect harmony, created to be in perfect wellness, created to last forever. See the millions of planets, we don't know the number, still exploring, moving at mind-boggling speed, all in prescribed orbits. They are so huge, but they move in the prescribed orbits. There is a course for them, the timing, everything is done. They never collide. It's going on. Same thing with seasons. Same thing with night and day. But what we see today, the disturbances about which Professor Peter, also Dr. Kirti Singh also mentioned, Dr. Yugandhar also mentioned, why is it today the way it is, whether it's Iraq or Libya or what happened in Japan or Hiroshima, Nagasaki earlier in the World War II, September 11 in America, 26/11 in Mumbai, attack on Parliament. You see a number of man-made disasters, and so-called natural disasters are also man-made actually. Man-made disasters are immediately we can see the cause and effect. There's a bomb explosion, loss, death, disturbance, everything. But the natural disasters also because of what man has been doing out of his ego, greed, and fanaticism. All those nuclear explosions, experiments they are doing under the water, above the surface. In the name of modernization, globalization, we have been digging deep into the Mother Earth, bringing out oil and other things, burning coal and petroleum products for which, you know, thousands and thousands of years have taken to form them by natural process. We want to exhaust everything in one's lifetime. All these are the causes of the systems we call earthquake, tsunami, and whatever it is. The nuclear power is there, but nuclear explosions have caused so much of destruction, damage. Now the very nuclear power which was giving them all comforts and convenience in Japan is causing so much of destruction and causing fear all over the world. See, the world is only one unit. The planet, the universe is one. The planet is only one unit. We are all interconnected, interrelated, interdependent. We don't realize it very often. Like the body, parts of the body, all the parts of the body they depend on each other. An injury caused to your little finger affects the whole body. You get the pain, you get fever. Like that, any damage done to any part of the planet affects the whole planet. So when we talk about wellness of the body, every part of the body has to be taken care of. Same thing, when you talk of the globe as a whole, planet as a whole, we have to ensure that no damage is done to any part of the planet. Now, in case there is a nuclear explosion in the affected areas in Japan, is it going to be within the confines of Japan? No. All the neighboring countries are scared. They are taking precautions. It can go all over. So the same way, the thoughts also, our thoughts are powerful. The positive thoughts you have seen yesterday evening and this morning after the meditation, how powerful and peaceful, how elevated we all feel in this hall because of the good thoughts. A few minutes of positive thoughts created this entire atmosphere of healing. What happens here is not only a conference, indirectly you are feeling the effect of healing. You are getting better, you are getting elevated. The same way negative thoughts of greed and ego and jealousy, all these things, within the body you realize it. On the day now, today, after this, you feel so great. Suppose you are all the time worried about ego and greed and jealousy and anger, you feel run down in no time. So